How to fix the slow internet in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down, click on connections, click on mobile networks, click on network mode. Here you will see 5G preferred, LTE preferred, 3G preferred. Now click on 5G preferred. Go back to the home screen. Second method. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Turn on flight mode. Few second wait. After few second wait, turn on flight mode. Now again go back to the home screen. Third method. Click on settings, scroll down, click on general management, scroll down, click on reset, scroll down, click on reset mobile network settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, mobile network settings will be reset from your phone. Again go back to the home screen. Fourth method, swipe down, open quick setting panel, turn on mobile data, turn off mobile data. After few second wait, again turn on mobile data. Now again go back to the home screen. Fifth method, again swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on reset, again click on reset your phone. This is how you can fix the slow internet in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.